In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify tutorial, how to add, remove, and manage users and permissions. First, sign into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. In the Settings area, find and open Users, sometimes labeled Users and Permissions, to see everyone who currently has access to your store. To add a new team member, choose Add Users. You'll land on a form for user details. Enter the person's name so you can easily recognize them later, then add their email address. This email is where Shopify will send the invitation, so double-check it for typos. When you're ready, click Add to send the invite. The recipient will get an email prompting them to accept and create their login. If they don't see it, ask them to check spam or promotions. Next, you'll see options for two-step authentication. Requiring two-step verification adds a strong layer of security by asking for a temporary code at sign-in. It's a best practice to require this for all staff with sensitive access. Now set what they can do by assigning roles. Open roles and review the available permission sets. Choose Assign, then select the appropriate store or context you manage access for. Think about the principle of least privilege. Give people only what they need to do their job. For example, someone handling orders may not need access to billing or themes. After you pick the right role, confirm your choice. If you run into a message saying you can't add more users with admin access because of your plan's limit, don't worry. That notice is simply letting you know you've reached your current user cap. You can either upgrade your plan to allow more full admin users or create POS-only users if you're adding in-store staff who don't need admin access. Choose the option that best fits your team. When you need to remove someone's access, return to Settings, then Users. Select the user you want to revoke and choose Remove. Confirm the removal to finalize it. Their access ends immediately, but their historical actions, like orders they processed, remain in your store's records. A few quick tips as you manage your team. Keep names and roles consistent so you can search and audit easily. Review permissions periodically, especially after role changes, and ensure two-step authentication is enabled wherever possible. With these steps, you can confidently add new users, fine-tune permissions, and remove access when needed, keeping your Shopify store secure and well-organized.